Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to stream on Facebook using Prism Live Studio on your iPhone or Android device. So let's get straight into it. Now of course the first thing you have to do is to go on the App Store and then download Prism Live Studio. So go on the search bar and then search for Prism Live Studio. So here you will find Prism Live Streaming app, install it and then open it. Now once you have opened it, you will find yourself on this page. So you have three options, either to stream the screen or the camera or the VTuber, which is basically your avatar. So you can choose a 2D avatar or 3D avatar. Now let's get back to the camera. Here you can live and then you can also connect. So you can connect another device to your phone to help you stream better. You can also make videos and photos, but that's not our concern in this tutorial. So let's get back to the live. Click on ready and then here choose the platform that you want to stream on. And here we'll choose Facebook. So connect Facebook and continue. Here you will find yourself on this page. So you will have to log in with the Facebook app. So open in Facebook and then connect to your Facebook account. And that's it. Now the stream will be automatically launched. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.